Good morning students, today we will do binary to decimal conversion. So here what we have to do, binary to decimal conversion, we shall do it. First of all, we have to write a binary number 11010. This is the binary number I have. This is a base 2 number and I have to convert it to base 10. How can I do this? First of all, let's write the number 11010. Can you please tell me what is the position of this 0? This is at 0th position, this is at first position, yes, this is at second position, third position and fourth position. All the positions of the digits I have written with the blue ink. Now, what is the first digit? The first digit is 0. What is the position? 0th position. So, base to the power position. Got it? After that, I have 1. Let's write 1 into 2 to the power, base to the power position. What is the position here? 1. Let's write the 1 here. After that, I have here 0 into 2 to the power. What is the position? Yes, the position value here is 2. Got it? So I will write 0 to the power 2. 0 into 2 to the power 2. After that, 1 into 2 to the power 3 and then 1 into 2 to the power 4. So I have written all the numbers. It can be represented at 0 into 2. What is the value of 2 to the power 0? The value of 2 to the power 0 is always 1. Anything to the power 0 means 1. 1 into 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 means 2 only. Then 0 into 2 to the power 2. That means I have to multiply 2 times. 2 into 2. 1 into 2 to the power 3. 3 means I have to multiply the 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. And the last one, which is 1 into 2 to the power 4, means I have to multiply the 2 for 4 times. Got it? So I multiplied it. Let's see the value. This is 0. This is 2. This is again 0. This is 8. And this one is 16. So let's add all of these numbers. 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 16. The answer will be 26. So how can I write the answer? Here I have to come and write the answer like this. 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Then base 2 equals to 26. This is the decimal number. So what will be the base of the decimal number? Yes, 10 will be the base of decimal number. So the answer will be written like this. Okay, hope you have understood. So we shall practice more questions like this.